This is a great souvenir shop in Pattaya. They offer handmade Thai products and give back to the community. And I know that you will be amazed because aside from these good souvenirs to the local community, they are brand made from local. Good quality and staff are very nice as well. This is an amazing shop in Pattaya Central Festival. It's beautiful and super cute, and the Thai products they sell are all so beautiful. I love the handmade baskets the most, and the cafe also is beautiful, and the Thai coffee is amazing. Highly recommended also. Good Goods new flagship store is preparing to serve full specialness with a promotion to open a very exclusive new store waiting to welcome all Pattaya residents. The best souvenir shop. You will see also a variety of handcrafted items including local crafts, fashion, and home decor. The store features products that are made at the environmentally conscious way. You can find items like monsoon tea from Chiang Mai, which is known for its quality and sustainable sourcing. Good Good Store offers a unique shopping experience centered on ethical consumption. Customers who appreciate supporting local businesses and unique, high-quality products are likely to enjoy their visit. One thing also that you can have to buy in here are the toy to your bag with the charm of a mini bag decorated with Tokyok Dok Naumen. It's a three-horse fabric that has a legend for over 200 years from the community enterprise of the Naumen Sri province. Trunk that can be used to store things or decorate bags. Looks chic and can carry Thai identity everywhere. You can also see the natural dyed elephant keychain, a work from Community Enterprise Group, Chiburi, dyed fabric, natural color, Maelang Province, Payao, who uses generation to generate tie-dye knowledge to create a contemporary piece with Good Goods unique elephant keychain, another one of the bestseller in this market. Good Goods is a Thai lifestyle brand that collaborates with the community to develop products from local wisdom to modernize them under the Central Group, Central the social enterprise, with the goal of preserving local culture, supporting community, and inviting Thai people to use Thai products with pride. Flagship store pinning at Central World in 2019 and working with Central Development's expert team. Born as a model of product grouping to suit buyers in each area, allowing Good Goods to not only create business growth but also create pride in the hearts of people in the community. Even more than that, there is a collaboration in the project. The gift of doing good is a continuously coming to reduce inequality, create careers and income through creating works with the community, because they intend to expand the happiness of Thai people together with Central to develop sustainability. You can also see here the cotton string bag with wax coating from the visually impaired group of Wandi Krap province. Chiang Mai helps to reduce inequality and create opportunities for disabled people to have careers and sustainable income. One thing also that is good is the Taste Monsoon Tea from the province, Chiang Mai. It's a world tea that grows in harmony with nature. It has a unique taste and aroma. Every tea is the result of taking care of the forest and is a small happiness for everyone's day. You can also buy and experience the unique aroma of jasmine rice and jasmine flowers, conveying Thai splendor in the form of perfume, shower gel, and scented candles that warm you like at home, bright like morning, and invite you to be happy all day long. Good Goods unique elephant new design tote bag that conveys Thai charm in contemporary style. Available in a range of sizes to suit every lifestyle. Whether carrying it for a weekend trip or everyday use, it looks chic on any occasion. You can also have some fun of buying your casual look with your colorful unique elephant t-shirt and Good Goods. Comfortable to wear, made from quality cotton with matching hat to make dressing up even more fun, and you look sassy and high